Hello, everybody. It's Dima here. I'm the founder of SaaS Founders Community, and I'm here to tell you a few words how to improve LinkedIn metrics at every stage of lead generation. Well, it's really nice that if people consider lead generation as a rigorous process, because you know that the process consists of the certain steps. These steps has certain KPIs, and you can manage the process. It's not like you do anything and you try to get the result from nothing. No, you go step by step. You understand how it works, and if it is not work, you can easily find the place where it's not when it's the process is broken, and you can fix it. And this gives you predictability. It gives you the real understanding of how many contacts, how many appointments, and how many contracts will you have to the certain date. So let's consider the steps. So we use a certain amount of indicators, and here I will describe each of them for you to copy and to use it in your business. So the first six are, let's say, preparatory. So it's like our basics. That's what we start from. So first is the quantity of approved target audience contacts, because if we don't have the database of the people to work with, so what's the goal? Who are the people we're going to talk to? So first, we collect the database. We understand the quantity of the people in our, let's say, in the top of our funnel. It's number one. Then we optimize the profile. Then we prepare the case study. We prepare the script for the lead generation, and we prepare the nurture script, and we prepare the content for the first month. So this is the preparatory stage. So where we prepare all things to get things started, right? And the next things are operational. So first, we track a number of requests that we send from the profile on a daily basis, but here it's shown on a weekly basis. So, and we can understand how many requests do we send week to week, and we understand if this process goes smooth and stable, or there were some, let's say, breakups and whatever. So next stage, we track the number of contacts that approved our invitation. It's very important to see that this number should grow because the number of requests increases, and same should be for the contacts, right? So, and here's the very important indicator there, let's say, acceptance rate, % conversions of requests to contacts. We call it acceptance rate. So it means, do the people from our target audience see the value in the things that we do? If it is the case, that's okay. If it is not the case, if this indicator is lower than 20%, it means that they don't see the value, they do not connect quite often, and we need to work on our target audience, on the profile, and our, let's say, first message, right? So here it's fine, it's 31%, so it's pretty good. Then the next indicator is number of total scheduled appointments. So we do the lead generation, and the next step is to get the appointment. What does the scheduled appointment means? It means that the person expressed the interest in appointment with the owner of the profile, agreed on a certain date and time for that, and it approved that this date and time is booked for the appointment with the owner of the profile, right? So that's number of scheduled appointment. The next steps is the actual number of appointments held, because it can be there are different situations. Some people cannot come from the client side, some people from our side, sometimes it happens. So, well, you should start at least from 60 or 70% conversion from scheduled, from appointments, from the total number of scheduled appointments. When you work with a larger amount, of course, and if your process become more smooth, of course, these numbers should grow. But you should start from 60, 70% to be fine, then it should go to 80 or maybe 95, it will be perfect, right? Also, we count the number of nurturing activities, the number of emails that we send to the target audience, because we use LinkedIn not as a LinkedIn only. We also collect emails from the LinkedIn of our first round of our contacts, and we nurture them with the emails. And also, we identify the number of publication that we send, that we post in our LinkedIn profile, to see that our potential leads will see us not in the sequences of the messages only, but in the profile also. Also, it's very important to track the SSI indicators, the current SSI tracked by LinkedIn. Well, it's quite technical. It gives us more insights. It has maybe it's like a response of the LinkedIn, or like indexes of LinkedIn tracking activities. So they track opens of our messages. They track acceptance rate. They track the engagement, and they show it into the certain indexes, like establish a professional brand, find the right people, engage with insight, build relationships. It's okay to see it at once, but it's much more important to see it in the process, right? Because thus you can see if some areas of the things that you do, if some areas are growing or they decline, right? So if you want to start doing that, you should start from the very basic things. The very basic things first, it's the quantity of approved target audience contacts. It's number one. Then total number of requests, total number of contacts, of course, number of conversions, number of scheduled appointments, and total number of appointments. Other things are not mandatory, but you should also think about that. But if you have this, let's say 5 to 6 indicators for a start, it's really nice. You can track the process, you can see the holes in your process, and you can fix it easily. So if you want to understand how it should work for your business, how it will help your business grow much faster and get to the next level that you absolutely worth, you would better click on the form below and fill in your situation, describe the situation you are in now and where you want to get. And after that, you can select a time to have a meeting with a team of our lead gen advisors, where they will show you the way how to get to this state easier, how to become a better business, more scalable business faster, because it will save a lot of your efforts and time. So fill in the form below this video, and we'll be happy to show you the process, how it works. You can do it yourself. You can do it with our help. It's up to you. But if you see it, it will help you to grow faster. So thank you for your attention. Please subscribe to our channel, and I would be happy to help you to grow your business faster. See you soon. Bye.